ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টির সরকার গঠন করে সুষ্ঠু শান্ত এবং পশ্চিমবঙ্গে নিরাপদ একটা সরকার করবে, হিংসা দাঙ্গা পরিস্থিতি মুক্ত পশ্চিম বাংলা একটা তৈরি করবে, এটা সিদ্ধান্ত। নমস্কার সকলকে।
So that was the BJP briefing on Nimta victim's death, who was allegedly attacked by the TMC in February. Unfortunately, this 85-year-old Nimta victim, whose family had claimed violence at the hands of the TMC a month ago, that is in the February month, has now passed away. And we have seen several of the reactions coming in from Syria BJP leaders as well, including the Home Minister himself, Amit Shah. In fact, if we look at this particular tweet coming in from the Home Minister Amit Shah, he speaks about the unfortunate incident and also in a way paying his condolences, stating, and I quote, "I'm anguished over the demise of Bengal's daughter Shobha Majumdar ji, who was brutally beaten by the TMC goons. The pain and the wounds of her family will haunt Mamta Didi for long. Bengal will fight for a violence-free tomorrow. Bengal will fight for a safer state for our sisters and mothers," unquote. This is the latest statement coming in from the Home Minister himself, Amit Shah, after the death of the 85-year-old Nimta victim. Her death comes a month after her family had raised certain serious allegations that she was attacked by the TMC goons. The BJP will also be holding and has been holding this particular press briefing following her demise, and said that they will not forget her sacrifice. We'll shortly go across to our reporters as well, but this was an 85-year-old victim who has now passed away, and the BJP has now raised serious allegations. But we also got the first reaction coming in from TMC Saugata Roy, who now has, in a way, denied all allegations being raised by the family as well as the BJP, stating that it has nothing to do with the TMC, also stating that Gopal's mother was very old, she was suffering from cardiac problems, there are no injuries, according to Saugata Roy, and BJP is doing politics with this issue. This is what the first reaction for the TMC states, by Saugata Roy, denying all allegations, these serious allegations being levelled by the BJP against the TMC goons. And this is an 85-year-old Nimta victim whose family has now claimed violence at the hands of a TMC goons a month ago, that was in February, and has now passed away. Unfortunately, her death has come a month after her family alleges that she was attacked by TMC goons. And even way back in February, the TMC officially had denied all allegations against them, denying allegations of attacking by the BJP as well.